Hi, y'all. Welcome in. I hope you're doing amazing. I'm Lindsay. If you're new to my channel, it's all about self development and manifestation and a little bit about entrepreneurship. But for today's video, I felt inspired to talk a little bit about the process and the experience of waking up to consciousness, waking up to pure consciousness, your consciousness, and the field, whatever you want to call it. And that leading to a dark night of the soul, and then leading to liberation and your homecoming. So, when you wake up to all of the illusions around you, and you wake up to reality being an illusion and that it's actually a projection, right? And that you can even shape it. You wake up to the very real truth that your reality is not you. And not only is your reality not you, but the identity that you have always had is also not you. And even though the truth is far more extraordinary, it's still a shock, right? Your ego dies, which again is your whole identity. And it's your anchor, right? And that's why it changes everything, including your relationships. And you're just not able to do the same things that you used to do. You're not able to be who you used to be anymore. It's just impossible. Like, really, truly, it is. And that's why it's also very common to lose family and friends in this process. And I want to be clear that I know for those of you who are close to your family and friends, that may sound scary, or if you've already been through it, then you remember how scary that process was. But it's also very common too that you come back together with some of those people. It's just that you come back together on the other side of it, right? After they see that you're not crazy and that you are actually much happier, like on a daily basis, which is what they always wanted for you anyways, on a real deep soul level. And they see you thriving in your truth, most importantly. It just doesn't work initially in this process, and sometimes for a little while, because they're just anchored in the old you, and that just can't survive anymore. And many of the times, the reason why they'll come back also is because now you are a living, breathing example of this. And so you just naturally turn around and grab the hand of the next simply by being that example. And it even facilitates that same awakening in them, right? Even without you convincing or having to try or doing any of that. But people who haven't had this experience yet, they just can't understand, right? And people who are attached to us tend to not take it well when we change. And it's not their fault, it's just part of the program, which you can now see through. And all of this leads to a dark night of the soul. You go into hermit mode. You go on a journey. Your ego dies and you mourn for real. You go into the deep waters and you go on what I feel like is the journey of the dragonfly, because they start out in the water as these little water nymphs, and then they evolve into these agile, limitless creatures with wings. And you start to discover your true self and power, and you start living from a place of knowing that you are the universe and that you are made of pure love, that you can completely trust yourself, that you are completely limitless in every way, and that you have God within you, right? And you start following your true purpose and passions, and you start to experience real fulfillment on a daily basis, because you know that real fulfillment is on the inside of you. And all of this is so beautiful because it all leads to, when you stick it out, your liberation and your homecoming. All of this is what put me on my path and my purpose. It's what led me here, where I truly fell in love with researching consciousness and manifestation and seeing what I could do, and even making these videos and giving back, and how I got over my fear of being seen and still am. It's even where I woke up to the realization that, I didn't have to feel this negative pull in my gut when I saw certain things happening for others, that even like I could absolutely make money by having fun, or even make money in lazy ways, just because I deserve it, just because I am here and I'm choosing to shine my light, right? That was a more than real possibility for me too. And again, it just gave me the time and energy and power back to pour into my passions, and even really discover what they really truly were under all of the illusions and old programs and conditionings, from, my family and society and everything that actually just had nothing to do with my true self, and in fact was keeping me captive. So, truly, like, it's just so important for me to be so authentic and transparent that if I can do it, truly anyone can. And if you are interested in how I did it, you really can just copy me. Even if you don't have the same niche, it'll just, again, just give you your time and your energy back so that you can discover it. Or if you know what it is, be able to pour into it, right? So again, just start with the 5-day challenge. It is in the description box below, as well as the about section. It's going to teach you how to make money online. And again, do it in a passive way, and teach you how to post strategically rather than mindlessly scrolling. We spend so much time on social media anyway, so why not leverage it? And it also teaches you how to really truly work smarter, not harder, and how to use the high ticket stuff and not the small stuff that just doesn't really get you very far. And also, if you feel like you are struggling in your energy and you are stuck still in a mindset and a belief system of lack and scarcity, get my money manifestation vortex. It is a 10-step guide where I guide you to shift your energy in your own way and guide you to your own magic, right? Of shifting from lack and scarcity to an energy of abundance, and in a way where it actually sticks. Because the way truly that you can be living a different life, or even just a little bit better of a one, is both the skill set of working smarter and not harder, but also dissolving all of the lack and scarcity mindsets and belief systems and replacing that with your true self, which is an abundant belief system and energy. And so those resources, if you are interested, they're going to be in the description box below again, as well as my about section. And with that said, I think I'm going to leave this one here. If y'all have any questions about spiritual awakenings, dark nights of the soul, all of that, I've been through it actually quite a few times, and I really do love talking about it and shedding light on it. So let me know in the comments, and I just appreciate every single one of y'all so much. I'm truly so grateful. I adore y'all. I love each and every one of you. I want the absolute best for you. Thank you for building this beautiful community with me where we can just all do better, have better, be better, and just be and have and do what we deserve, right? And be in real wish fulfillment, okay? Like, that is always my intention. So if my energy resonates with yours, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.